My dear friends, today I will be discussing how to prevent breast cancer or whether it is possible to prevent breast cancer in various subjects or individuals. Now, what is breast cancer? Now, breast cancer is simply the malignant proliferation or multiplication of the breast tissue or breast cell. So, breast is composed of various type of tissues. So, number one is ducts or ductules, then lobules, then connective tissue. Connective tissue is again made up of fibrous tissue or fatty tissue or fats or adipose tissue. Now, most of the breast cancer is common in lobules or ductules or both. And most of there are various type of breast cancer, and out of these, ductular cancer and lobular cancer is very much common. Breast cancer can spread to other parts of the body via blood vessels or via lymphatics. Now, before going into how to prevent the breast cancer incidence, we must know what are the sign symptoms of breast cancer. So, number one important sign symptom is the subject or the patient can feel a new lump in the breast. Development of a new lump in the breast or mass in the breast, feeling of tenderness or pain in the breast area, and discharge from nipple other than milk. So, other than milk, if there is any secretion or discharge from the nipple, it may be blood, it may be important sign symptoms of breast cancer. Another one is change in the shape of the breast and size of the breast also, that may be another important sign symptoms. Then irritation of the skin and swelling in the some part of the breast. So these are the various sign symptoms of the breast. Another important sign symptom may be eversion of the nipple. So all those things are the various sign symptoms of breast, and you must know what are the diagnosis or how to screen breast cancer. Now, breast cancer can be diagnosed by self-examination, number one, done by the patient himself or herself. Just by feeling if the patient or the subject feels the lump or mass in the breast area, he or she can approach to a doctor and can do consultation. So self-examination is one of the important way of diagnosis. Second important is the clinical examination done by physician or oncologist or a surgeon. So that is clinical examination. So clinical examination of breast is another important method by which diagnosis of the breast cancer can be done. Another one is mammogram. What is mammogram? It is simply the X-ray of the breast tissue. Here the breast tissue has been placed between the two metallic surface, and X-ray is taken of that. So some tenderness may be there. There is no much pain, but mild pain, tenderness may be there, or irritation of the skin touching the surface of the partition may lead to some irritation of the skin of the breast. Otherwise, there is not much painful, this mammogram. So mammogram is one of the important diagnostic tool for diagnosis of the breast cancer. Another important is breast ultrasound. It is painless and there is no side effect because ultrasound, and it is also very safe because there is no ionizing radiation, unlike mammogram. Mammogram is a simple X-ray of the breast tissue. It increases the risk of ionizing radiation, but breast ultrasound is the safe and safest because there is no painful at all. It can diagnose also the cystic lesion of the breast also. At the same time, it is not using any ionizing radiation. Another important diagnostic tool is breast MRI. Breast MRI can be done also. So in some special cases, breast MRI can be done. Otherwise, mammogram is a diagnostic tool of choice along with breast ultrasound. Mammogram is mostly done in various subjects who are at risk factors or showing some sign symptoms. So these are various diagnoses or screening tests by which breast cancer is diagnosed or undergoes screening. Now let's move to how to prevent or what are the preventive measures to prevent the incidence of breast cancer. Now, especially in the last video, we already discussed what are the risk factors of breast cancer. So those who are having history of ovarian cancer or breast cancer, or family history of any breast cancer, or exposed to oral contraceptive pill for longer period, so they are in higher risk. And those who are higher risk, they can go for clinical examination or mammogram yearly. So that this is another important way by which breast cancer can be diagnosed and can be prevented at very early stage. So diagnosis at early stage is very much important to prevent the bad prognosis of the breast cancer. Self-examination is another method by which we can prevent the bad prognosis of the disease. Other important preventable risk factors are, we can stop avoiding smoking. So smoking is important risk factor for many cancers, and it is also stimulates breast cancer mutation gene or cancerous gene and leading to increase the risk of breast cancer. So we have to stopping of smoking is maybe important factor or preventive measure. We have to avoid smoking. Another one is avoid alcohol or take alcohol in very mild to moderate dose, not in frequent or not in higher dose, toxic dose. Take alcohol in very mild to moderate, or better it is to cut the alcoholism. Then do regular physical exercise, because those who are obese and overweight, they are highly prone to develop breast cancer in future. Obese female actually. So for obese female, it is better advised to do regular exercise at least 30 to 45 minutes per day, and it decreases the risk of getting breast cancer. At the same time, another important way by which we can prevent the breast cancer is to limit the post-menopausal hormonal therapy. Now, post-menopausal hormonal therapy are normally done in various subjects to prevent heart disease or osteoporosis. Now, after menopause, gradually the estrogen comes down, and because of that, there will be risk of heart disease as well as osteoporosis in female. To decrease the risk of these two diseases, post-menopausal hormone therapy are done, but it increases the risk of breast cancer. So we have to limit the post-menopausal hormone therapy. Another important preventable measure is to maintain a normal weight, to prevent obesity or to get overweight. So we have to do regular exercise and normal diets, healthy diet, so as to prevent getting overweight or maintain a normal healthy weight. So that is another important preventive measure by which we can prevent the occurrence of breast cancer. Another important is normal healthy diet, and very healthy diet is always going to prevent breast cancer incidence. So Mediterranean diet is very much good for prevention of various cancers. This Mediterranean diet prescribe food rich in fruits and vegetables, legumes, nuts, olive oil. If you want to take oil, then olive oil is very best, and fish, but no red meat and saturated fats, no butter. So no fatty meal. If you fish you can take, and mostly fruits and vegetables, legumes, nuts, they are included in the Mediterranean diet. And you have to avoid Western diet. What is Western diet? The diet rich in animal meat, saturated fat, then red meat, then fatty food, saturated fats. These are all includes Western diet. And Western diet increase the risk of breast cancer, and Mediterranean diet always prevent the risk of getting breast cancer. So it is always advisable to take Mediterranean diet regularly, or diet rich in fruits and vegetables, and which decrease the risk of getting breast cancer. Another important method by which breast cancer can be reduced is to advise the mother to do regular breastfeeding. So it is always advised so breastfeeding decreases the risk of getting breast cancer. Besides, there are other, for high risk subjects, chemo prevention is another. Chemotherapeutic prevention or protection against breast cancer can play an important role, like estrogen receptor modulator and aromatase inhibitors. These are the two groups of drugs exposure to which the risk of breast cancer development decreases. So what are those drugs? Those are raloxifene, tamoxifen. These are also called estrogen receptor blocker, and they decrease the risk of cancer breast. Besides, there are aromatase inhibitor like anastrozole. These also decrease the risk of getting breast cancer. So both aromatase inhibitors or estrogen receptor modulator or receptor blocker can play an important role in prevention of breast cancer occurrence. In some cases or high risk subjects, prophylactic mastectomy, that's a surgery, can be done. Many patients also choose to take or choose to undergo prophylactic mastectomy so as to prevent the risk of breast cancer in future. Another important measure by which risk of breast cancer can be prevented is regular exercise. So regular exercise is very much important. At least 30 to 45 minutes of exercise per day is advisable, as exercise is not only prevents cancer but it is also prevents other cancers, improves the brain health, at the same time make cardiovascular system fit and make respiratory system good, and it also helps in normalizing the blood pressure and improves the immunity. And because of all these factors, those patients who are already suffering from breast cancer or other cancer also, with exercise their tolerance to chemotherapy also increase. So exercise is always good for cancer patients, and also it is a measure by which breast cancer can be prevented. Besides, we have to limit or avoid hormone replacement therapy. By avoiding hormone replacement therapy that is done after menopause or post-menopausal hormonal therapy, the risk of developing breast cancer can be prevented. Besides, exposure to oral contraceptive pill containing estrogen and progesterone must be limited, or you should not get exposed to oral contraceptive pill for prolonged period, because exposure to oral contraceptive pill or intake of oral contraceptive pill which containing estrogen and progesterone for a prolonged period may increase the risk of getting breast cancer in future. So we have to cut down the intake of oral contraceptive pill, decrease intake of diethylstilbestrol, avoid hormone replacement therapy, and another important is that avoid unnecessary exposure to ionizing radiation or radiotherapy or radiation exposure. So because excessive exposure to radiation or radiotherapy or ionizing radiation may lead to mutation in the breast tissue. So they may increase the risk of development of various type of cancer. So we have to limit our exposure to various diseases. And to prevent diseases, we have to limit our exposure to ionizing radiation. So these are the various inhibitors. And one important chemotherapy or chemopreventive measures or chemoprotective measures is to advise the subjects, or physicians can advise those patients who are in high risk or those who are high risk subjects to develop breast cancer. They can advise two important drugs known as aromatase inhibitor and estrogen receptor modulator or estrogen receptor blocker. So what are those? Those are special type of drugs which modulate the development of breast cancer. And example is raloxifene, tamoxifen. These are estrogen receptor modulator or blocker, and aromatase inhibitors like anastrozole. So these drugs has a preventive role in breast cancer management. They can prevent development of breast cancer. So these are the various preventive measures by which a person can prevent development of breast cancer in future. Another important is that avoid fatty meal, saturated fat, animal fat. That is very much important. And exposure to estrogen, because estrogen is responsible for proliferative changes or growth in the breast. So excessive exposure to estrogen must be avoided. Example, exposure to hormonal therapy, postmenopausal hormonal therapy, then OCP, oral contraceptive pill. These increase the risk of getting breast cancer in future. So these are the various preventive measures, and by following these preventive measures we can easily control the occurrence of breast cancer. So what are those? Number one is avoiding smoking. Number two, avoid alcoholism. Then avoid exposure to hormonal therapy, avoid exposure to oral contraceptive pill, avoid exposure to estrogen, avoid exposure to diethylstilbestrol, avoid exposure to fatty meal, take Western diet, avoid avoid Western diet, take Mediterranean food, take more fruits and vegetables, do regular exercise, avoid exposure to ionizing radiation, and you can take some chemotherapeutic drugs like ramoxifen, tamoxifen, also known as estrogen receptor blocker, and aromatase inhibitors, which can prevent the risk of development of breast cancer. For special patients who are very much or higher risk, they can do prophylactic mastectomy to prevent breast cancer in future. Besides self-examination, routine checkups, then consult with physician, then yearly mammogram, this can really help in diagnosis or early diagnosis of breast cancer and can prevent the development of complication due to breast cancer. So these are the various risk factors of development of breast cancer, and according to American Cancer Society, those are women between 40 to 44 years. Those women whose age range is 40 to 44 years, they can be advised to do yearly mammogram if they wish to do, or they can choose the yearly mammogram to prevent or to early diagnosis of breast cancer. And those women whose age range is 45 to 55, they must do a mammogram, one mammogram per year or mammogram yearly, to ways to detect the breast cancer or diagnose any tumor in advance, in early stage. Before that, also for those patients whose age is more than 55 years, they can do mammogram every 1 to 2 years or at alternate years, after every alternate years or after 1 to 2 years. So these are the various diagnostic criteria or advice by American Cancer Society to prevent breast cancer as well as to diagnose the breast cancer at very early stage. Thank you very much.